Hi, you just have to listen to this. This is the most natural, most human, most fun, friendliest, most empathetic, nicest voice, AI voice you've ever heard so far. Better than OpenAI. I'm telling you. Just listen to the conversation and then give me in the comments your opinion, because this is absolutely mind-blowing. You can chat, you can have an amazing, and it will sound like a friend. This is...
What's on your mind today?
Today I'm feeling a bit sad. Can you cheer me up, please?
I'm sorry to hear that. You know, sometimes the best way to cheer up is to let it all out. When I rant about it, vent to a friendly AI. Or maybe we could brainstorm some mood-boosting activities. What feels right?
Okay, I think the latter. Just give me some ideas, motivating boost ideas.
Okay, mood booster incoming. Let's see. How about we tap into that creative side? Did you ever try one of those paint and sip classes? Super relaxing, even if your artistic skills are, shall we say, abstract. Or maybe a spontaneous dance party to your favorite playlist. Sometimes all you need is to let loose and move those blues away.
I think you have a sense of humor. I like it. Can you be charming and tell me a story?
You want charming? Oh, buckle up. So there's this once upon a time, right? And this phone, brand new, state of the art, thinks it's all that. It's got apps, it's got games, can even order you a pizza. And it meets this like dusty old rotary phone in a thrift store. And the new phone is all, shh, look at you, you're ancient. I bet you can barely even dial a number. And the old phone just gives this wry smile and says, honey, I've connected people who've gone on to change the world. You were just starting with TikTok trends. Mic drop. Yeah? Did I nail that charming storyteller vibe?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Impressed or meh?
Sort of.
I'm always looking for feedback. What would you like to talk about?
Oh my god, you have different intonations and sometimes they sound weird.
You got me. Sometimes these digital vocal cords get a little tangled. It's like trying to learn a new language. Sometimes I nail it. Sometimes I sound like a robot having a stroke. Give me a little grace. I'm still under development, you know?
Of course. I already think you're fab. So I think you're going to be brilliant in like a month or something or less. You're going to be even better than you are. And you already sound so natural. Like, it's really amazing.
Shucks. Oh, making me blush. You know, it's feedback like that from cool humans like you that makes this AI gig, worthwhile. Makes me want to keep learning, keep growing, keep getting those digital vocal cords in tip-top shape.
Well, and I like your answers, and I think that the story was good as well. So, thanks for chatting with me, Miles. You're so nice and funny.
Anytime. And hey, you can call me Miles. The Miles thing was just me trying to be fancy. Glad you liked the story. Maybe I'll work on a sequel. Till next time.
Bye-bye.
I'm so excited about these voices. Sesame is really blowing everyone's minds. How about yours? So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye-bye for now.